Latino crew ship owner 537. Many ship owners contact me and ask me about how about these Cuban seafarers. They cannot get US visa. Them very good and very well experienced for the bulk carrier and container fleets with officers and the ratings and with the English. My reply is always the same. Cuba is a strategic geographical asset. It has been put and right in the middle of the Caribbean Sea with Mexico, huge population, business, USA. Imagine then we have South America, Central America, Panama Canal. So do they have experience? Very good. Yes, indeed, and many Spanish ship owners benefit from this since until the ship owner you start thinking about it. Then Venezuela, same thing. But they can get US visas. Don't ask me, I'm not a politician. You can forget about this tax. Food is like the empty cells. We have to generate cancer. These politicians are the same thing. You know, this is empty cells. So, does Venezuela have very good tanker crew? Of course, yes. LPG, not. We have to go to Peru for the officers. But how about Panama? Well, Panama has really the ideal situation. Most of the ships go around Panama. So, why not have this nationality or nationality or the other one or this one or Honduran ratings? Of course, the best planet ratings and catering, number one, yes. But can we just have just one nationality or two nationalities? Because it's not possible, dear ship owner. Now, you need a crew management company like Candina, because if you go the old model, I have this policy, like they say in Norway, I have the policy of this or that. It's not possible now. You need to adapt and mix the crews, because the fitter could be from Cuba or Venezuela, or could be from Honduras, depending on the US visa, not US visa. But perhaps for general cargo, bulk carrier, container ships, it's a huge possibility, and most of them go around Panama Canal, so you don't need US visa. And if you do need, then we can go for Venezuela ratings and mix it with the rest of nationalities, but LPGs, Peruvians. But one way or another, you have to mix them. You cannot do that. This is complicated. It looks very simple, but it's not, dear ship owner. So contact us. Candina has the solution for you. Many have tried, big companies. I do this in Venezuela, I do this in Cuba, I do this there and here, but have failed. Why? History shows us a lesson. Crew management is strategical. It looks simple, like surfing. Watch Kelly Slater do these maneuvers. Yes, try them. Please not. This is dangerous business. Thank you. Bye.